Hello, this is Looking Forward for Physics 100 for Wednesday, the 20th of January, 2016. As we get ready for class on Wednesday, we make the transition from talking about exponential growth and human growth on the Earth, where we might easily outgrow the size of our Earth, to thinking about where else might we go. In other words, how many other planets are there out there in our galaxy that we could inhabit? And maybe even how many of those are inhabited and how many civilizations exist out there in the universe. The first person who tried to get a handle on this was a person by the name of Frank Drake, who came up with the Drake equation, which we put up here. What this says is that the number of communicating civilizations depends on the number of stars, the fraction that have planets, the number of those planets that are like Earth, the fraction of those that have life, the fraction of those that have intelligent life, and the fraction of those where the life is communicating. Now, the point here isn't to prove this equation. What I want you to do is think about this. If I wanted to get out the number of possible Earths, in other words, how many planets in the galaxy could we possibly go to and live on, how would I get that? If I wanted to get the number of places where there's life, in other words, I went to a place and I found anything from microbes to slime molds, to sloths, to cute little koala bears. How many places would there be? If I wanted a number of places where there was intelligent life, sort of like an avatar, how from this could I figure out the number that would give me that? We'll then take these numbers, take these things, and try and get out a value and figure out how many Earths there are in the galaxy, how many of those may have life, how many places there may be life, and how many civilizations there may be in the galaxy. We'll talk about that and more when we get together on Wednesday. See you then.